Hey guys, so we have some really great news here. It looks like Fremont factory is already preparing for their next generation Model 3. If you guys aren't already aware, this is not a surprise. Musk has said during the Q2 earnings call that Q3 is going to be a slowdown in production rate just because they are changing up their factory or the production line. This is obviously anticipating the redesigned Model 3 to come out of Fremont factory as well as the rest of the factories around the world. Now, there isn't an exact timeline just yet, however, due to the recent revelations with FSD beta transfer, I do have some further information to share with you guys, but stay tuned for that. I will have another video pushed out fairly soon, so hit that subscribe button and that bell notification if you guys haven't already done so. So anyways, with the Fremont upgraded production line and Elon's recent statement in the Q2 earnings call, we're not that surprised that things are being shifted towards the new design. However, there is one additional thing here that solidifies it even more so. A user by the name of Met by God in the Wilderness, who's known to have drone shots over the Fremont factory, has recently shared an image and video of what is happening on the lots and the line of Fremont factory. So what's happening here is during this transition stage, the empty lots are a big clear sign that the Model 3s are no longer being produced. Now normally trucks would be coming in and out and loading them onto the cargo and getting ready for delivery at a showroom. However, as of right now, all the lots are closed off, the lots are completely empty, and it looks like there are no longer any productions of the Model 3s. Now, I don't know if this is happening throughout the entire factory, but this is the lot right here that should supposedly be full at all times, getting vehicles ready to be shipped out. Now, on top of everything, the entrances are even closed and locked off, so there wouldn't be any vehicles coming in and out of the lots at all. This means that something is happening on the production line that is forcing the vehicles to stay there and not come out of the factory. Now, the biggest likelihood here is that they've stopped production of the current Model 3 designs at this factory specifically, and they're already prepping up for the Project Highland vehicles to be shipped out in the next month. Now, like I said, this is not a big shocker at all. Elon has specifically said that they're slowing down production, and that means that within Q3 we are going to be seeing this new vehicle arrive. So this is something that you guys should be all expecting and get excited for, just because as of right now there are incentives to push you towards an older Model 3. However, I do think that this is totally worth it, and this is totally going to be the car that should set you for years to come. Now, you would assume that if you don't live in the States, this wouldn't affect you that much. However, it really does, because the Model 3 Project Highland should hypothetically be shipped all around the world at the exact same time. This is to avoid any unnecessary Osborne effect, and it means that people are going to be waiting for the new model instead of buying the older one. And this is the case where I would say that most of the factories are already prepping up to do everything at the exact same period. So the footsteps should be pretty much neck and neck. If you guys are near Giga Austin or Giga Shanghai, you should be starting to see the slowdown of the Model 3 productions and maybe some additional empty lots as well. Now, if you are in Giga Berlin, unfortunately there wouldn't be much of a difference because they don't pump out Model 3s anyways. But those two places you should be keeping an eye out for, because things are going to be transitioning in the next week or so. So anyways guys, this is the latest info for the Model 3 Project Highland. Like I promised, I will continue to update you guys and give you guys as much info as possible, be it big or small. So make sure you guys subscribe to this channel, hit that bell notification if you haven't already done so. This should be it for this one guys. Hope you guys enjoyed it. This is John once again. Peace out.